All right, what have we got here? We've got some sort of HDMI, high definition multimedia interface that enables you to be fighting for the dream. Made in China. Some good things are made in China. Just like some good things are made everywhere. Oh, we've got a 4K Ultra HD HDMI video capture, a USB 3, and then you have a microphone in and a headphone jack, which is kind of cool because that will enable you, if you don't have a mixer or anything, you can plug in a headset, a non-USB headset and monitor. So you could use this. This is kind of like streaming in a box, really. Then you've got your HDMI input and HDMI output, which is nice because if you have an extra monitor, you can see whatever your camera's seeing on one monitor, and on the second monitor, you can have all your OBS or Streamlabs or StreamYard or whatever it is that you use software-wise on the other screen, so you can monitor that, or if you're streaming on, say, Twitch, you can monitor your chat on a separate screen from what you're actually filming at the time. Kind of nice. And then you've got this little doodad here, which is your charging cable, which gives you USB-A on this end, which is going to be the device end. So that will plug in here. And then on this end, if you've got USB-C input, you use that. And if you've got the USB-A, you use that end. So it just makes it versatile, you know, because if you've got a number of USB 3.0 inputs, you know, some will be C-type and some will be A-type. And that way you can use whatever you have in the most efficient way for you. It is the HDMI 4K video capture, so that you too can be fighting for the dream, fight for it.